Sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are watching Tamara's Hair Care. I haven't done a wash day routine video in so long, so in today's video, I am going to share with you my relaxed hair wash day routine. Currently, I am 4 weeks post relaxer. So first, I love to prep my hair before every wash day. I carefully remove the hair band. I always use my fingers to remove shedded hair before using a comb. I love to wear my hair in a bun as a short-term protective style. Even though my hair is long and thick, I do not wear my hair out a lot, rarely. So of course, I'm going to wear a bun as a short-term protective style, and then I'll give myself a nice wash and treat. So here you guys can see my hair is growing out. So now I'm just going to use my white tooth comb to remove some of the buildup that's on my scalp. Oh my God, guys, this feels so good. And then I detangle my hair using the white tooth comb after trying to remove as much as the buildup as possible. This is like kind of like a nice little massage to my scalp as well. And this was amazing, okay? I always get questions like, oh, often do I wash my hair? Honestly, guys, I wash my hair every 2 weeks if I am not wearing a long-term protective style. If I'm wearing a long-term protective style, then I wash my hair after taking out the long-term protective style. And if I'm not wearing a long-term protective style, then I wash my hair every 2 weeks. Thanks to Numi for sponsoring today's video. They sent me this full set for me to try for the first time. Here we have the Cleanse, Protect, and Strengthening Shampoo. We also have the conditioner for softening, hydrate, and moisturize. And we also have the hair mask. And they also sent me their ear serum and also a flat iron. So I haven't flat ironed my hair in a while, so this is going to be my first time for the year to flat iron my hair. So I'm so excited to use this product, guys. So let's go wash my hair using this new product. Is it just me, but I do not apply shampoo to my dry hair? I always make sure my hair is completely drenched with water before applying shampoo to my hair. So after my hair is completely wet, I go in with the Numi shampoo. This shampoo is 100% vegan, enriched with vitamins and omegas from Akea powder. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Cleanse, protect, and strengthen the hair. It also packed with vitamins B, C, and E to protect against environmental toxin, strengthen and nourish hair strands. Okay guys, so here is my honest review, which will contain the pros and cons from my experience using the Numi shampoo on my relaxed hair. I must say it did not strip my hair. My hair was very hydrated after rinsing the shampoo out. My hair looks shinier. It has a very mild scent, guys, like pretty mild, but still smells good. My hair felt clean after the 3 wash. I end up washing my hair 3 times. And the con that I have, it does not lather much. Like you barely get any lathering. So I ended up washing my hair like 3 times. Even the second wash, I wasn't seeing like a lot of lathering. And the third wash had some lathering, but not a lot. So the lathering was like really, really mild. But otherwise from that, it does cleanse your hair. It doesn't strip your hair. It makes your hair actually feels hydrated and looks shinier. And I really actually like this shampoo. Now we're going to go in with the conditioner. And this conditioner is supposed to soften, hydrate, and moisturize the hair. It has a really thick consistency as well. The conditioner is also packed with omega 369 and vitamins B, C, and E that hydrate and moisturize hair strands. Protect indicate here against harsh toxin and say goodbye to dry and dull ends. Experience softer, shinier, and healthier hair with Numi conditioner. After applying the conditioner to my hair, I put a shower cap on. It stated that you should let the conditioner sit for 2 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. If you guys know me, you guys know I'm not going to do that. I do not believe in applying treatment to my hair, conditioner, treatment, anything, and rinse it out immediately. So, of course, I let it sit for like 10-15 minutes, then I wash it out. So, I use 2 shower caps to lock in the heat. This is after like 10, I think it was like 15 minutes tops. Then I wash it out. Guys, my hair felt so soft, super soft. Okay. You can use code TAMARA15 and get 15% off your purchase. The links for each product and the discount code will be in my description box below for you to access if you want to try this product, guys. You know your girl got you. I'm going to make sure you guys get money off. So check my description below for the link for each product that I'm using in this video. Also for the discount code TAMARA15. Now I'm going to go in with the hair mask, and this mask is supposed to unlock protection, strengthen, nourishment, and smoothness for your hair. So this mask is actually very, very thick. It's like a very thick consistency, and it also has like a really nice silky texture. So I'm going to apply a generous amount of mask to my hair. You guys know I like to use a lot of products because I want to make sure my hair is fully drenched, all the strands and everything is getting like the good TLC. Okay, so I put the mask on my hair and I put the shower cap on, and I had this on for like 20 minutes to make sure my hair was getting all the nutrients that this product has to offer. And yeah, I just take a shower, and now I'm out of the shower, and this is what my hair looking like after being hair drying for like 10 minutes. Guys, when I tell you my hair felt like the baby butt, listen, this mask, this entire line from the wash to the conditioner to the mask makes my hair felt amazing. I want to know if they want to send me some more free products, because I'm willing to be using this product in my hair all the time because I just love the way it makes my hair feel. And my hair feels like a lot more manageable as well. So I'm going in with my leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to let my hair air dry some more. And then I'm going to blow dry my hair. This is my hair air dry for like, it's like, I don't know, it looks like about 50% hair dry. And then I'm going to go in and blow dry my hair. Okay, so while I finish up doing the other stuff to my hair, I'm going to give you guys some information of stuff you need to do to achieve a healthier hair. So did you know scalp buildup as a result of not washing your hair could also lead to follicles becoming trapped, potentially affecting your hair growth and increasing the chance of ingrown hair? So it's very important when you wash your hair and cleanse your scalp properly, guys. So washing your hair is absolutely necessary if you want to avoid buildup, flaking, and other germs that might have a chance to grow. If you do not maintain a regular wash day routine, these things can happen, guys. So having a wash day routine is very essential when you're on your hair care journey. So I think I'm going to start doing that. Every time I post a video, I'm going to give you guys at least one tip to get healthier hair. Okay, guys, so after all that hard work, I am back, and this is what my hair looking like after blow dry. So this is the final look for blow dry. So I'm just here enjoying my hair. Oh my God, I'm so proud of my hair, guys. You guys know my history. You guys know where I'm coming from. I'm so proud of it. I just be showing it some love. I love to show my hair love because, as I always tell you guys, your hair knows how you feel about it. And if you do not show your hair love, your hair will not show you any love either. All right, but anyways, time to flat iron. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Numi flat iron. And as I always tell you guys, I don't flat iron my hair much, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna flat iron my hair for the first time for this year. So after this flat iron, there's no more flat ironing for me for the rest of the year, okay? So let's just go ahead and do the cheat. We can cheat and flat iron our hair maybe once or twice a year the most, okay? So now that all that is done, guys, we're gonna go in and flat iron my hair. And I tried to pass the flat iron through my hair only once. So I don't want my hair to be like super bone straight either. Okay, so these are some of the results you should be experiencing if you're using the Nume flat iron. It's supposed to be easy to use, polish and enhance your hair, smooth your hair cuticles, get rid of frizz, add shines, one pass and done. Easy pass glides smoothly without tagging or pulling due to flattened plates. So here we are at the end, guys. I am finished, and I should say, guys, my hair look professionally done. And you know what I like about this flat iron the most? After I finish flat iron my hair still have a lot of bunks, a lot of shine. It doesn't feel stiff or way down or dry or anything like that, because normally flat iron does that to your hair. But my hair still feels soft, it still looks shiny, it's still flowy and bouncy and have like a lot of body going on. So I really like that. I didn't want my hair to feel like dry or look way down and stiff and just dead. You guys know how I like it bouncy. That's why I don't like to use flat iron, because flat irons always make your hair dead, and this one did not do that. I love the outcome. It looks like I went to the salon and got my hair silk press. Okay, I am so happy with the result. But let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think this look like a flat iron or a roller set finish? Let me know, because I'll be loving this. But this is the end result, guys. Let me know what you guys think using the entire line of Nume products. Okay, guys, so this is the end of my wash day routine. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in another video. Please remember to subscribe and comment down below. Love you guys. Bye.